AI agents are quietly becoming the backbone of modern businesses, and it's showing with an expected growth rate over 40% annually in AI agents market. Enterprises are racing to deploy autonomous workflows, and new role is emerging to manage it all: AgentOps. Because building an agent is no longer the hard part, operating it reliably, safely, and at a scale is. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step AgentOps roadmap for 2026 with skills, projects, and outcomes so you know what exactly to learn and why it matters. Month 0. Prerequisites. Getting your foundation right. Before touching AgentOps, you need engineering fundamentals. First, Python. Not notebooks, Python but real engineering Python. Functions, classes, clean structure, and async await because agent streams tokens, call tools, and run workflows in parallel. Next, APIs. Agents live and die by APIs. So you should know how to build and consume REST APIs using Fast API or Flask. Then comes basic ML understanding, not to train models, but to understand inference, trade-offs, and evaluations. You also need hands-on experience using LLM APIs like GPT or Claude. Prompting is the engine of agents. And finally, Git, Docker, and basic cloud knowledge. If you can't version, containerize, and deploy, you're not doing agent ops. You are just doing demos. Build a clean Python service using Fast API that calls an LLM API asynchronously. Add proper error handling, environment variables, and Docker support. Month 1. Agent fundamentals and architecture. Now we actually enter the world of agents. You can start by understanding what makes an agent different from a chatbot. Every agent has 4 core parts: perception, memory, reasoning, and action. Perception is how agents take input. Memory is how they remember context. Reasoning is where LLM decide what to do. Action is where tools and API comes in. Then you explore different types of agents. React agents that think and act in the loop. Planning agent that break tasks into steps. And multi-agent system where specialists collaborate. After that, you learn the frameworks. LangChain for fast prototyping, LangGraph for stateful workflows and loops, True AI for role-based teams, Autogen for conversational multi-agent setups, and OpenAI Agents SDK for structured production-ready agents. By the end of this month, pick a project where you create a single agent that can decompose user tasks, search the web or documents, call tools, store short-term memory, and return a structured response. Focus on clear agent architecture and reliable tool execution. Month 2. Observability and monitoring. This is where agent ops truly begins. Agents are non-deterministic. Same input, different outputs. Tool fails, cost spike, and print statement won't save you. You learn the 4 pillars of observability: tracing every prompt and tool call, structured logging with context, metrics like latency and token cost, and session replay so you can reproduce the behavior. You set up tools like Langsmith or Langfuse to track agent behavior in real time. You monitor token usage, failure rates, and performance bottlenecks. Then you level up with OpenTelemetry and production-grade monitoring using Prometheus and Grafana. By the end of this month, pick a project where you build an agent with tracing, logging, and cost tracking. Use tools like Langsmith or Langfuse to visualize every prompt and tool call. Build a dashboard showing latency, failure, and token usage trend. Month 3. Agent evaluation and testing. Now you stop trusting agents blindly. You defined what good actually means. Is the task completed? Is it efficient? Is it safe? Does the output make sense to a human? You learn evaluation strategies, human reviews, rule-based checks, benchmarks, and LLM as a judge scoring. Then you build a proper testing pipeline: unit test for components, integration test for agent tool interaction, and end-to-end test for real workflows. You wire everything into CI/CD so every code change automatically triggers evaluations and blocks bad releases. At the end of this phase, pick a project where you design an automated evaluation pipeline for your agent. Add LLM as a judge scoring, rule-based checks, and benchmark test cases. Integrate this into CI/CD so every code change triggers quality and regression tests. Month 4. Production deployment. This is where most people drop off, but this is where real agent ops begins. You learn different deployment strategies: serverless for low traffic, containers and Kubernetes for scale, managed AI platforms for enterprise governance. You design real architectures with API gateways, queues, vector databases, caches, and persistent storage. You handle scaling, retries, rate limits, fallbacks across multiple LLM providers. By the end of this month, deploy your agent as a cloud service using Docker and Fast API. Add caching, retries, rate limiting, authentication, and monitoring. The agent should handle real users, scale safely, and recover gracefully from failures. Month 5, multi-agent systems and optimization. Now you move beyond single agents. You design a team of agents, planners, researchers, analysts, and reviewers, each with a clear role. You explore multi-agent patterns, hierarchical managers, sequential pipelines, and parallel collaborators. You choose frameworks based on complexity and control. LangGraph for state machines, Crew AI for role-based teams, Autogens for conversational coordination. Then comes optimization. You reduce prompt size, cache tool calls, parallelize execution, choose cheaper models where possible, and cut latency and cost without killing quality. By the end of this month, build a multi-agent workflow with specialized roles like planners, researchers, analysts, and reviewers. Run agents in parallel where possible and optimize prompts, tool calls, and model usage to reduce latency and cost. Month 6, Specialization and Capstone. Now you choose your path: enterprise agent ops with compliance, SLAs, and multi tenancy. Or you can go with safety and alignment with guardrails, red teaming, and adversarial testing. Next, we have agentic AI research with planning algorithms and advanced reasoning, or domain specific agent in healthcare, finance, legal, or engineering. Your final capstone is a production grade multi agent system, fully observable, fully evaluated, deployed to the cloud, optimized for cost and performance, and documented end to end. At this point, you're not just building agents anymore, you're operating them. And that's what AgentOps is really about. AgentOps is positioned at the crossroads of software engineering, ML engineering, and DevOps, which are applied at the specific difficulties posed by autonomous AI systems. This 6 months roadmap outlines and guarantees a clear way for learners moving from basic to mastery in production. So pick your laptop and start learning today. And I'll be back with more roadmaps.